How to find someone on Facebook by picture. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this tutorial. To find someone on Facebook, you need to launch your Google or any browser that you prefer. Then tap on the Lens option of your Google. In here, tap on the photo of who you want to search the account of. Google Lens will identify the photograph and it will find some of the similar matches. To find a specific website that is either your Facebook, YouTube, or Pinterest, tap on See Exact Matches. Here you will find various of websites that uses the similar photo. However, it is not guaranteed that you can find someone on the basis of the picture, as they have to keep their profile public and as well as they have to use the same photograph that you have. So however, you can give this a shot, but it does not guarantee you that you can easily find the person on the basis of a photograph. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.